Right. Okay, so, right. We got a blue one. And we got a red one. We got a blue one and a red one. Both called the same thing. But one's blue and rapid, and one's red and single. We got a blue one and a red one. Or a red one and a blue one. Whichever way you wanna look at it. Anyway, we are both here.
I'm here.
He's the blue one. I'm the red one.
I want to be red one.
No, you're the blue one.
I'm red one.
You're the blue one.
You've got a blue ball. You're blue ball.
You're the blue one.
Fine.
Blue one, and I'm the red one. And we're going to see which packs gets what pulls. And see what's going on there. Security protected, you didn't see that. Anyway, I'm going to open these up. Open these up, see what's going on. And have a look at some stuff anyway. See you in a second. Okay, now I did say he was blue and I was red and we see who's going to get what, but it's all muddled up now, so we're just going to pick some stuff. We're going to pick some stuff. Anyway, there's a card. It's not promo, it's part of the set, but it's shining. And there's another one. And there's another one, yeah. Well, in fact, that's blue and that's red. Look at that. I've already sussed it out. Okay. There's the little boy single. There's the big single boy. Nice. And then there's. What? Oh, it does. I was just thinking, where the hell's that going? Okay, there's the other one. Nice. And then there's his young brother. Weak. Okay, and then. Right.
Oh.
We got things there, we got battles. And a battle. Right, so pick 4 cards. Pick a pack.
I'll have the left hand side.
Them?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
So, move us over. You go first.
Okay.
Oh, don't be mixing them. I'm watching you. I've
got it. Right, we're going to do Dinosaur Blaze first. Dinosaur Blaze right here. Right here. Yep.
Womp.
Go for it. Nice, and be basic.
Oh,
that abomination. I mean,
what
the
is
abomination. It's the abomination. That's what it is. Anyway, let's see what we got on your side. I mean, this might be my pack, you know.
No. Fate put it, so I chose left. So this is my winning one.
Ice cream, nice, and messy.
Yeet.
Right, let's do some of these. That was my one, wasn't it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Eat more. And basic points.
Yes. Come on, King Penguin or whatever it's called.
King Penguin.
It looks like a king, doesn't it? It's got a crown on its face.
It's an Emperor Penguin.
Alright, fair enough. Emperor Penguin.
That's right. That is correct. Making it rain, Pokemon. Hornage and.
Yes!
Alright.
The card you've just got in the box.
I'm just trying to. Where is it? What did I do with the thing? In fact, there's the big one. What did I do with the little one?
Oh no, that's not quite the same.
I can't find what I've done with the little one. It's gone. Oh my god. I found it. Alright. Okay. No, it's not exactly the same, but it's not too far off. Promo's a lot more blue than the actual card.
Different attacks. And,
right, okay. I won that one then.
No, I think that was mine. Actually.
It was mine actually.
Just to let you know.
Wrong. Incorrect. What do I do another one of these? Very baggy this pack.
Because it's a rubbish pack.
It's gonna be a beast now.
Nah. I got basic.
Okay.
What we're doing, we're for a bit of a switch up, are we taking it?
Yeah. Just trying to confuse things.
Nah, that's just confusing me. Now, you just destroyed my pack here. It's only because I'm winning here.
You're not, you're losing. There you go, you got to scroll, and for the final one is a. Oh, it could be a hollow. It's a hollow.
Yes!
Nice. You're a pig boy.
Told you I'm winning.
Piggy. Yup. What? Which one? That one. Right, and then the last ones. I pulled them, so on my side. Let me show some of these. You got some of them, and that one, and that one, and that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay, you gotta pause that quick because that was super. Which one did you pick?
Yours is right. I was watching you.
This one.
Right, the one in your left hand is mine. No, now you swapped it. You've already started to open yours. No, that's mine.
Yeah, I've not opened mine.
Yes, you have. See, viewers, he's trying to scam us all. He wants my winning side.
There you go. Is this my one then?
This is definitely your one.
You know what? I'm confused now.
Comment down below. Do you reckon he's trying to cheat us?
Damn it!
Yes.
Right. Open my pack.
Secret there. Oh yeah.
I'm ruining it for you.
But I've still won. I'll own a V. Get in.
Anyway. Peking red card and a go.
Yes.
Did I got something in amongst this? Oh yeah. Here we are. Got two random chilling fates here.
Oh.
Which one do you want?
Dark Zapdos.
This one.
Yeah. That's never been article nor in its life.
We're running yours.
Go on. A V in this one.
It's not. There you go.
2 for 1.
Oh. Easy. Right. Tender loving care with this one. Just this one right here is the win.
It's going to be a common V. World's more common V.
You reckon?
Either that or going to be that mushroom riding a horse.
Douche. I think it's going to be something better.
Do you?
Really. Earning key, rapid striking, rubbing up the stuff, and for the last card
No.
of the video.
No. No.
It's like Willy Wonka's did.
Yes, I was
right! What the hell?
Mushroom riding a horse.
You still lost.
I know, but I've won. That's the only good card you pulled.
No, I don't even know where I put them. No, they're in this mess.
I got a V and a hollow. You've only got a V max. And I guess that right, so I get off of that point as well.
No.
Yeah.
No, this,
Comment down below what do you reckon, viewers. I think I won on that.
You lost, I'm afraid. You lost. You. Nice.
It's nice that you got the VMAX one of it.
Yeah. I don't think I've got the V of it yet.
Oh, yeah, I've got you.
Anyways, if you do like what you see what you like, subscribe, follow us, Instagram, Facebook.
Oh,
Check us out on everything else, everything you can, everything there, everything here, everything everywhere.
Don't forget that notification bell, because you don't want to miss some more mushrooms riding more horses.
No, catch you all in the next video, hopefully. See you all back, see some new ones, see some fresh faces. Make them all feel welcome. Have yourself a fantastic day. I'm Cheddar.
And I'm Cheese.